Remember that feeling of payday excitement? Of course, it feels great, but for many people, it doesn't last long. Soon they are reminded of debts, rent, and other expenses, leaving just enough for food and transport. Now imagine not worrying about savings at all. What would you really want? Maybe cruise, a luxurious house by the ocean, or the car you always dreamed of. All of this can be real if you're willing to try something new like trading. Hi everyone, my name is Simon and I've been trading for over 7 years. During this time, I developed an effective strategy that still works today and helps my students achieve their goals much faster. I share my tips in my club. You'll find the link in the description. But for now, let me show you a strategy that has already led me and my followers to these results. Let's go. Let's start by setting up our platform. We'll select the players and stock. And now for the indicators. This part is crucial. Today I'm using RSI and MACD. A few more tweaks to make the indicator data clear and visible. Now I'm ready, let's go to the first pair. Alright, I'm going down here. I see we've reached the resistance level and the RSI indicator is close to the upper boundary. I'm expecting a bounce downward. Let's watch. Great start, let's keep going. Friends, if you think what I do is simple, you're mistaken. To make these simple moves, I spent 7 years working hard and studying the market. I've come a long way, and now that allows both me and my followers to achieve great results. Just the other day, everyone made an average of 700 in a single session. Now that my trading knowledge is overflowing, I'm ready to share it with you. You don't need to spend years studying the market, just click the link in the description and join my club. There I stream my sessions and provide entry points absolutely free. See you there soon. For now, let's keep going. Take a look, there's a level above that was tested twice with strong candles. This indicates a strong seller in this area, so I expect the downward movement to continue. Let's make a move. Right on target, just the way I like it. Let's switch to Apple. I see an upward trend with the correction. The recent selling candles are getting smaller, while the buying ones are growing, meaning the correction is ending and the trend will continue. The RSI indicator is bouncing off the 50 level and the price is being held to continue its upward movement. It's clear, let's soar. We're halfway through and my strategy is working. Let's keep watching. Back to our pair. I see the high has been updated, but the MACD histogram is shrinking. This divergence signals that the trend is weakening and the reversal is coming. The RSI indicator shows the same. We are going down. A quick and accurate forecast is the key to excellent results, my friends. I want to thank my students who trust me and achieve the results they want with me. We've become a real team. As the saying goes, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. With my students, now over 9,000 of them, we've gone farther than expected, and it didn't take long. If you're interested in trading but lack the knowledge and experience, click the link in the description and join my club. Watch how I skillfully navigate the market. Now, let's move on. What do we have here? After a drop, there's been a strong upward movement without pullbacks. The MACD indicator has flipped, with the blue line crossing the pink one from below. I'm confident this is worth joining. Perfect, let's do a couple more to solidify the results. As we predicted earlier, the upward movement continued. I see the RSI indicator went beyond the upper boundary, forming a pin bar and a red candle that confirms the start of a correction. The MACD indicator is also slowly turning around. Time to go down. Awesome, let's wrap it up, my friends. This one's pretty straightforward. I see a sport level and the price is moving sideways. I'm entering from the lower boundary, expecting it to reach at least the upper level. Fantastic! Experience has paid off. My strategy works. That was exciting, my friends. I'd love for you to feel what I'm feeling right now. It's an unreal sensation. That's it for today. You've learned a lot about trading and got some valuable knowledge. I want to let you know that I'm ready to continue sharing my experience with you. Trading has its risks, but with a mentor, the possibility of ending with no results almost disappears. So click the link in the description and join my club. By the way, I've prepared a special offer for beginners, a little welcome gift, so to speak. That's all for now. See you next time. Bye.